Roshan's dream. There was a boy named Roshan in a small village. Roshan's dream was to become a big cricket player one day. But his village had neither a proper ground nor a coach. Still, Roshan did not give up. This is the story which shows that victory is hidden behind every defeat. Roshan would wake up every morning and practice cricket in a small ground nearby. Seeing his hard work and passion, the people of the village would encourage him. But there were many difficulties in his path. Many times he got hurt, many times he lost, but every time he learned and stood back. Friends, there were no resources, but he never gave up. Roshan started playing cricket with bat and ball. He used to learn something new every day. Roshan did not have the resources to fulfill his dreams, but he never gave up. He started practicing with old cricket bats and balls. The elders of the village would smile at him and say, "This boy will definitely do something big one day." It was the result of his faith and Roshan's hard work that he kept learning something new every day. Roshan's mother always encouraged him and said, "Son, those who work hard never lose." These words kept resonating in his heart. Roshan put in all his strength to fulfill his dreams. One day, a cricket tournament was organized in the village. Roshan thought this was his chance to prove himself. He started practicing day and night. The day of the tournament arrived, and Roshan's team performed brilliantly. But in the final, they faced a very strong team. In the final match, Roshan's team was trailing initially. His team's main batsman was out early, and disappointment spread among the spectators. But Roshan did not lose courage. Playing with all his strength and strategy, he took his team to victory. Roshan did batting brilliantly and scored the required runs for his team in the last over. This was truly an example for others. Roshan and his team won the final match and brought glory to the village. With this win, Roshan taught everyone that with hard work and belief, every defeat can be turned into victory. This story of his became famous in the village. Roshan's inspirational journey also inspired other youth of the village to chase their dreams. Years later, Roshan's hard work and dedication got him included in a big team in the city. Now, he had become the hero of the village. The youth of the village took inspiration from his story and started moving forward in their respective fields. Roshan decided that he would open a cricket academy in his village so that more children of the village could also fulfill their dreams. This initiative of his became another beautiful chapter in his life. Now, the children of the village started fulfilling their dreams after getting training under the supervision of Roshan. Roshan showed that as long as we pursue our dreams with full hard work, no one can stop us. The message of his story is simple: never give up, because behind every defeat lies a victory. This story tells us this. Every time Roshan returned to his village, he would visit his old grounds to refresh his memories from where he had started his journey. His story was no longer just a story, but had become a source of inspiration. The village people would proudly say with his name, "This is an example of his hard work." This story of Roshan is not just about Roshan. but about every person who works tirelessly, without stopping and with full dedication towards his dreams. Because behind every defeat there is a hidden story of victory. You just have to find it. And Roshan's story had infused a new energy in the village. After he opened the cricket academy, many children started showing interest in cricket. Under Roshan's guidance, the children not only learned the techniques of the game but also understood the importance of discipline and hard work in life. Abhi, one of the village children, was Roshan's favorite disciple. Abhi also had big dreams and wanted to become a successful cricketer like Roshan. Roshan not only taught him the game but also explained to him the real meaning of becoming victorious. He inspired Abhi to never give up and face every challenge boldly. With time, Abhi also won many competitions in the village and his name started becoming famous. Roshan sent him to a big cricket camp in the city, where Abhi further honed his talent. Abhi's story had also become an inspiration for the people of the village. The success of Roshan and Abhi also brought a change in the thoughts of the people. Now people started giving equal importance to education and sports. Small clubs were also formed in the village for many other sports. Roshan's story had proved that with right guidance and hard work, any dream can be fulfilled. Roshan decided to take his village forward not only in sports but also in education and social development. He started giving guest lectures in village schools and inspired children to do something big in their lives. Roshan's story had now taken the form of a book and Abhi's success story also. Roshan's story proved that there is no success without struggle. After every difficulty, there is a new morning, and behind every defeat, there is a story of victory. His story gave the message that if you fight for your dreams, success will kiss your feet. Roshan's life and his story became a chapter that would continue to inspire future generations. His dedication and hard work proved that no dream is impossible. All one needs is the determination to achieve it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.